Hello friends, welcome to Promote Health and Wellness YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Girish CM. I'm an orthopedic and sports physiotherapist. Today I'll be talking about stretching exercises for the painful knee joint. Now I'll be demonstrating some of the best stretching exercises for the knee joint. She is my model. With the help of her, I'm going to demonstrate a stretching exercise for the knee joint. Before starting any stretching exercises, we need to warm up the joints or muscles by doing some of exercises. So like the ankle movements, that is up and down, slowly, yes. You can do it for both the legs, yes, very nice, very good, like this. About 10 numbers need to be repeated, very good. Then after clockwise, ankle, clockwise, goes, ankle rotations. This is we call it an ankle rotations in a clockwise way. Then after turn to anti-clockwise. This also need to be repeated for 10 times. Then next one is knee bending very gently as much as possible. You don't need to bend it fully, then make it straight. Yeah, repeat for about 5 to 10 times. This will help, the joint will be ready for the stretching. Otherwise, there are chances of getting an injury. So better always when you are doing a stretching exercises, you need to do gentle warm-up exercises. Then you need to start with the stretching exercises. So friends, now I am going to start with the calf muscle stretching. First, foremost, we need to understand where is the calf muscle. So this is the leg. So behind the leg, we call it this calf muscle, which is the second heart of our body. So this calf muscle normally goes into a tightness, which leads to there will be pain around the knee joint. For that, we need to do a stretching. So first we need to be placed the towel roll, tightly roll the towel, place it under the ankle. Then so there is a TheraBand. You get to have a different colors which has a different resistance. So the basic one which I am using it. So for the stretching purpose, so she need to be holding like this. Yes, and she need to be stretched well. So as much as possible, let it go down so that she will feel more stretch at the calf muscle. Can you see this? Yes, good. So when there will be stretching, so the duration should be around 30 seconds of hold period, then 5 seconds of rest period. Do it. Relax. Like this, the stretching should be done 3 to 5 times. So now she is going to do it once again. Now I am going to show hamstring stretching. So the patient should be in initially first, the starting position will be in a sitting position, and this part of the muscle will be stretched now. So we call it a hamstring muscle. So now first we need to take a TheraBand. We need to be placed the TheraBand equally at the below the foot. Then she need to lie down slowly. Okay, so now she need to lift the leg with a straight leg, we call it. up to 70 degree. She can go gradually even up to 90 degree, depends on the severity of the tightness of the hamstring muscle. So this one she need to be holding it for 30 seconds, then after 5 seconds of rest. So when she does that, she feels lots of tightness at the hamstring muscle. So you're feeling the tightness? Yes, she says she's feeling the tightness. So this has to be holding it, so that this will help to relax the tightness muscle. So thereby the pain will start reducing in the knee joint. You're comfortable?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now we'll be getting back to the starting position. Now she'll repeat once again the same exercises for 3 to 5 times. Next muscle I'm going to show is a TFL, that is tensor fascia lata. So we can see here, this is tensor fascia lata muscle. So that is, we call it the lateral aspect of the thigh muscle. We call it a tensor fascia lata. So this is commonly tightness occurs in the osteoarthritis, or maybe some kind of when there is an injury happens. So this is more prone to have a TFL tightness. So this we need to be stretched well. Otherwise, there are chances of getting pain around the knee joint. So first thing is, she need to be placing equally, as previously I told you, under the, okay, pull it, yes, then she need to lie down, yeah, make your knee always straight, never ever bend the knee joint while doing a TFL stretching. So she need to take it up as much as possible, then gradually she need to take it inside. So here she feels there will be tightness at the lateral aspect of the thigh muscle. Can you feel this tightness? Yes. Parallelly, even she do get some amount of tightness even in the hamstring also while doing it. So it's a kind of a combination, but the effect will be more on the TFL muscle. You can try a little more? Yes. You will try to take it as much as other side, so you feel there will be, tightness can be released by doing this. So the same way, she need to be holding it for 30 seconds, then gradually come back to the previous position and hold it for 5 seconds in a relaxed position. You comfortable?
Yes.
Yeah. Slowly you can take it back, down. Very good. Yes. So like this, she'll be demonstrating once again 3 to 5 times. Now I'm going to show hamstring stretching in a standing position. She need to place her foot on the chair. And when she does that, always knee should be placed in a straight position and other leg should be straight. Can you make it slightly straight? Yes, good. She need to be holding it like this, the foot little slightly up for 30 seconds. Okay, so are you feeling hamstring tightness? This is the part she is feeling the tightness. So this will help to relieve the tightness of hamstring. Then thereby they will be reducing the pain. You are comfortable? Good. So she need to be done like this 3 to 5 times, holding it for 30 seconds, and in between there will be 5 to 10 seconds of rest period. Like this, she will demonstrate once again. Now I am going to show most important muscle, that is quadriceps. So this quadriceps stretching will be shown now. So here in quadriceps stretching, the patient has to be in a standing position with taking some support. Then after, she need to bend the leg of the left one. Can you bend the left leg with the support of holding at the ankle? She need to pull it slightly backside. Yeah, it should be the femur should be straight to the body, and there should not be no back taking it back. Even the back should be straight, so that she can feel there is a tightness at the quadriceps muscle. Can you feel there is a tightness? Yes, she says there is a tightness in the quadriceps even when there is a stretching. So some amount of pain also patient do complain of. So the same way she need to hold it for 30 seconds, then relax for 5 to 10 seconds. Like this she need to be repeated 3 to 5 times. Now I am going to show calf muscle stretching in a standing position for a right leg. Yeah, can you turn that side? Yeah, hold the wall. Keep the left leg front. Then right knee should be straight and she need to move forward. Yeah, slightly bend. Yes, good. When she does this, so that this leg, she feels there is a tightness in the calf muscle. So when there is a stretching happens, so there will be some amount of discomfort also patient do feel. So are you feeling the discomfort or the tightness? Yes, she is feeling the stretching kind of a feeling in the calf muscle. So this she need to be done for a 30 seconds and relax for 5 to 10 seconds, and she need to repeat for 3 to 5 times a day. As much as keep your knee straight of the right leg. Yes, and be straight. Good. Keep your neck front. Very good. You are comfortable now? Yeah, okay. Take it back. So now she is going to demonstrate herself one more time.